Google just made fine-tuning an AI model as easy as uploading a spreadsheet. We're talking zero code, no GPUs to rent, no ML engineers on speed dial, just your data and a model that learns from it. This is Google's Vertex AI fine-tuning with Unsloth Studio. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a base model and make it yours, trained on your own dataset, ready to deploy. The setup takes under 10 minutes, the results actually impressive. Let's get into it.
Now we are going to use Unsloth on Apple local MacBook installation. It's pretty much straightforward. They have given us the quick starter. Head over to the Gemma for fine tuning quick starter and then copy this command. Open your terminal and then put this. You'll see the installation will start. This is the command that I have put over here. Once this is done, you'll just need to copy and start your local Unsloth server. This is how it looks like. Uh, Although it's preferred to use a GPU machine, but you're perfectly fine doing it on a MacBook as well, but it's going to take more time. So let me just wait for the server to start. First time you have to create a password. Once you are done, then you will be able to see the studio itself. From here you can also do this, but I prefer the Unsloth ways of using the Google Colab. Run this command. I will link the Colab in the description, and then you can just start the server by clicking over here. Once you start this, you will see a button to open the Unsloth Studio. Same thing again. It's going to ask us for creating a new password. So let's create it, and then you will be presented with an onboarding. Let's do the onboarding. We'll select the text model. There are multiple things that you can do it here. Let's start with the text model. You'll be picking the Gemma 4 latest model from Google for doing the fine tuning. And let me close this. And then you can put your local model, or you can pick from the Unsloth's Hugging Face repositories. Let me pick the Gemma 4. And then you have to select your dataset. Second. So for example, now I'm going to run it for one whole epoch, just so that it's very quick. And let's select data set math, where we give math expression and model do the thinking. And this is an open source data set. So it doesn't require you, but if it asks, then you can create the Hugging Face token as well. And once we are done here, let's click on the start training. It's going to show you the dataset schema and few examples. For example, this is the reward model function, and this is an extra info. This is the source prompt it's going to be, and this is the how the assistant should arrive to the solution. I'm pretty much okay with it. I don't want to make any changes. So let's continue with that. And now we are going to see it's doing the initialization. First is loading the model and all. So it will take about a couple of minutes from here. And once it is done, then it will initialize the LoRa. Meanwhile, let's see our GPU usage. So we can see our GPU is getting loaded with the model weights. And yeah, now our training has been started. You will see a dashboard, very nice. It will show you how much we are going to run it, and you'll see this loss, utilization, temperature, all of the information that we care, and the model configuration, training configuration. And from here, you'll see the learning rate and gradient normalization that can change over the time. And once we have to see how much time it is going to take, I'm going to fast forward it. That's not an issue. Yeah. There you go. Now gradient normalization is working. And so let's wait for it to get completed. Then I'll show you how you can load this model and use it. At the same time, how you can export it from here. That's also pretty much possible to use it on your application. Now it's getting untrained completely. It's done practically. Now let's click on the comparing chat, and it's going to load your train model used with the LoRa adapter. Let me type a simple expression and see if we are able to connect with it. And start and generating. It's going to take some time. Meanwhile, I'll show you how to export it. You just need to select your model, the checkpoint, and then you type or how, like, full merge model or LoRa, or you want just the quantized GGUFI. So for now, I'm going to just download the LoRa because that's for now. This is what we have trained, and we can later on use it. Thank you very much for watching it.